I'm really sorry for this kind of lighting in the second half of the video. I've had to do this to escape the sun. Hello people, this is Sonali, the Melodramatic Bookworm. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Melodramatic Bookworm family. I'm here today with episode 3 of Shout Out Sunday. Shout Out Sunday is a series of videos in which I talk about 5 of my favorite digital creators in every video. These creators don't have to be technically related to books, but since my channel is a booktube channel, I tend to add a bookstagrammer and a booktuber in these videos without fail, because there are so many that I really admire and love, and I wish they got more love than what they are currently getting. So in today's video I'll be talking about 5 more digital creators. If you haven't checked out my earlier videos, the episodes 1 and 2 in the series, then I recommend you go and check them out and follow the creators that I've talked about in those videos, because they are simply amazing. I'll leave the links to those videos here as well as in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this video and let me share with you the 5 digital creators that I always fawn over. First up is a bookstagrammer whose reels I am a huge fan of. She is so creative in the way she makes her reels. Every single nuance of being a bookworm you'll find on her reel timeline. You just go and binge watch all her reels, you'll know what I'm talking about. And the bookstagrammer I'm talking about is Book Girl Sulagna, and her photos are out of this world. They are beautiful, they are warm, they are light, they are bright, they fill you with happiness, and she is an amazing person to talk to. She is so sweet. She always interacts, and I love that she does that, and she deserves more people following her because her content is simply out of this world. Like I was about to say, and I went weird off on some tangent, her posts are brilliant, her captions are equally brilliant, but her reels are something else altogether. Just go watch her reels, you will know what I'm talking about. And her acting chops, her expressions, the variety of expressions that she has, oh boy, you just can't help but start laughing. Yes, you will relate to a lot of what Sulagna is saying. So what more reason do you need to go and follow her if you're not already following her? Go. I think she has a blog also. If I find the blog, then I will leave that link as well in the description box below. Please go follow Sulagna everywhere. The second digital creator is a booktuber. Her name is Isabella and her channel's name is Throne of Pages. And Isabella is someone who is so full of energy. She is so bright, and every time I watch one of her videos I feel so happy. That's the kind of vibe I get from her channel. Bright, earthy, natural, easygoing, friendly, and that is why I love her videos so much. And whenever she does upload, I am like, Isabella has made my day, because especially her vlogs, she makes such beautiful vlogs. The aesthetic that she has set for those particular sequences that she makes at the beginning, I'm like, how do you get these ideas? I mean, how can you be so creative, so awesome, so amazing? You can see I'm so worked up just thinking about how amazing Isabella's channel is, and I am a huge fan. And one more fun fact, when I saw her lose it over An Ember in the Ashes, I decided that once the 4th book comes out, I'm going to read it, and that's exactly what happened. I read An Ember in the Ashes, A Torch Against the Night, A Reaper at the Gates, A Sky Beyond the Storm earlier this year, and I lost my mind, and that has become one of my favorite series of all time. So thank you, Isabella, for that final push into making me read my most favorite series of all time. Does that make sense? Yeah, it does. The next creators are a couple, and originally they are on TikTok, but they also post on Instagram Reels, and they also have a YouTube channel. And I don't have TikTok, so I don't get to follow all of the content that they make, but these two are so funny. I mean, have I told you? No. Aileen Christine and Devin Chris. They usually post all these reels on Aileen's channel, Aileen's account on Instagram, and this couple is so sweet. Especially, I think the number of followers that Aileen has is because of Devin. I'm really sorry, Aileen. I mean, she is stunning as well, she is funny as well, but Devin's reactions to her, to the way she behaves, to her eccentricities and all of that, that's what makes people flock to their channel, their Instagram account, their TikTok, etc, etc, I think. But when both of them are in the frame, they are so cute together, and they are so, I just want to give them a big hug, especially because of how in love they are with each other. And not just love, it is very obvious that both of them are each other's best friends. They love pulling each other's legs, they love pulling pranks on each other, and they love doing these TikTok challenges with each other. I mean, some of them, like I mentioned in my previous Shoutout Sunday video where I mentioned another couple, some of these challenges, some of these reels could be scripted, but it's fine. We watch movies which take years and years to script. That's fine. Why not script this as well? I just wish they uploaded more often though. Sometimes I just go back and go through all their reels. Like, I'm just swiping, and then I realize I'm at the end of the list. But it's okay. I'm not obsessing that much over them. It's fine. You know how I discovered this couple? It was on Facebook. BuzzFeed videos, I think, shared a video saying that this guy's reaction to his girlfriend's pranks is completely adorable or something of that sort, and I saved it, and then I found them here and I'm like, yes. Number 4 is not related to books at all, and this is a reaction channel which I have been following for the past few years, and that is Jabi Koe. I don't know if you have followed him. I'm not a huge fan per se, but I really enjoy watching their reactions. He is a huge fan of Indian cinema as a whole, and he does reactions to Indian songs and Indian trailers. He does interviews with Indian celebrities and actors and directors and whatnot, and I really enjoy watching his videos. The only thing I don't like is that the people, when he does some reaction videos of probably dance videos or something, he keeps comparing the dancers with Michael Jackson or Justin Timberlake or Chris Brown, of all the people. But other than that, the way they lose it at the stand-up comedy that they react to, how they are so in awe at the dancing of Indian actors, it's simply entertaining to watch. And I must say that Jabi Koe considers Hrithik Roshan as the most beautiful man on this planet, and I wholeheartedly agree, and that is 98% of the reason why I continue to watch Jabi Koe's videos. He is super invested into Indian entertainment, that much is definitely sure. 5th on this list, and a small business that I discovered last year, is Book Anatomy from Instagram. This is run by Dolly Sharma, who is one of the sweetest people on the planet, and I love their products so much. They make bookmarks, mirror key rings, reading planners. My reading planner is from Book Anatomy, and I use that religiously. This is better, right? Yes. First, the keyring. It's a house in the Cerulean Sea keyring. Look at this. It's a mirror keyring as well. She sent me stickers and bookmarks and whatnot, and I am so thankful for her. Rainbow bookmark. Okay, and then this. I'm using one of the bookmarks in a current read, so I can't open this. And she wrote me this very sweet letter when she sent me these, and it was such a sweet surprise as well. And I love that lady. And here, this is the reading planner. I showed this in detail in my stationery haul as well, so if you'd like to go check that out, I'll leave the link here as well as in the description box below. I'm gonna hold it like this. goals, gratitude, travel, movies to binge watch, reading challenges, favorite quotes, and then you can add anything you want here. The yearly TBR, books to read, the TBR, the continuation of the TBR. And then the monthly spreads. This is the calendar, this is the habit tracker and monthly goals. The monthly TBR, book haul, whatever you bought to keep a track of your expenses. And then these are the weekly ones. And I love this planner. It's such a great idea to, supply a reader with something to keep track of the reading in. And this is the notepad that I ordered. This looks plain, right? Look at this. I love this. And there's a little motivation also. You got this. I hope you can see it. Mentally dating that guy from my current read. It's so cool. I love Book Anatomy's products. Dolly is amazing. She has these different ideas that she gets and she implements them so well, and I'm super lucky to know her and to have her products and to be using her products. Please go check her out. I'll leave the link to the Instagram page in the description box below. I will also leave the link to her online store in the description box below. Please do go check her products out. They're amazing. So those were all the creators that I have for you today. Which of these creators do you know? Which ones will you go and follow right away? Which are your favorite creators, and who are your favorite small businesses? Who are your non-book related favorite digital creators? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please like it and share it to spread the word. And if you like my content and would like to see more from me, don't forget to hit subscribe and click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified as and when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep reading, keep watching, and add melodrama to your life.